Hello, in this video, we are gonna learn how to buy Bitcoin or crypto in Coinbase. So, if you're in the Philippines, you might be probably using coin.ph. Coin.ph might look a little different, but it's kind of similar. And if you're using something else like Binance or Albank, it also could look a little different, but I don't really use Binance, so I'm not really sure. But for Albank, I have videos about Albank. So if you want like videos about Albank, I'll put them in the link below. And if you guys have any other like videos or any other topics you want to know, I'll just put like videos and playlist it down in the description so you guys can like see what's helpful to you. Anyways, let's get started. Let's learn how to buy Bitcoin in Coinbase. Let's go. So in Coinbase homepage, when you log in, it will look like this, and then you will be able to see a buy and sell button. So click on the buy and sell button, right? And once you do that, you'll have options, buy, sell, convert. Now we go here in the buy area, and over here in the buy area, you'll be able to see um this part over here. Over here, you can enter like how much you want to spend, how much Bitcoin you want to spend, or how much crypto you want to spend in fiat money. So right now, I live in Canada. I'm in Canada, so it's showing in Canadian dollars. So if I put 100 right there, it shows $100, and then over here, one-time purchase. So if you click on this, you have different options: one-time purchase, daily, weekly, first and 15th of the month, monthly. Um, I mainly use one-time purchase, meaning that I only want to buy it right now, and I don't want to keep buying daily or weekly. I just want to buy it once. So one-time purchase, I'm just making sure you guys have like the right stuff. And then over here, you can also switch it back to um you can convert it to Bitcoin. Like if you want to know how much 100 CAD is in Bitcoin, you can just switch it to Bitcoin, and it'll show you in decimals. If you want to switch it back to fiat money or CAD, Canadian dollar, so you can switch it back. So yeah. And over here, if you'll be able to see buy Bitcoin, and if you click on that, it'll actually show this, and it'll show you all of the options you have for crypto. So it'll show you like cryptos that you're able to buy. But right now, I want to buy Bitcoin. So let's just say I want to buy Bitcoin, right? And over here it says pay with. So if you click on this over here, pay with basically means um pay with is just like sh them asking you how you're gonna pay. So I'm gonna pay with my card. I'm gonna pay with a debit that I've recently added to my payment methods. And if you guys are not sure how to add a payment method, I have another video for that. I'll put that in the link down below, like with the other videos as well that are gonna be helpful to you. And so yeah. So, for example, I want to buy Bitcoin, right? So I click on Bitcoin, I select Bitcoin over here, and then I only want to buy it once. So over here I select one-time purchase, and then I want to spend 100 Canadian dollars. So over here I put 100, and then I want to pay with my card. So over here I select my card, right? And then what I want to do is click on preview buy. Also over here again in this little area over here below, you can see your BTC balance, Bitcoin balance. Over here it shows in decimals, and over here it shows how much it is in your fiat money or Canadian dollar. So if I click on preview buy, right? If I want to buy it and I click on preview buy, hold on, it's loading. It will show this. So over here it says pay with my card, and then the price of the Bitcoin I'm buying it at, and then the purchase, right? So purchase is 96.16. So I spent 100 Canadian dollar on Bitcoin, but I'm gonna purchase 96.16 Canadian dollar worth of Bitcoin. That is because there is a fee. So for $100 worth of Bitcoin, I have to pay a fee of $3.84 in Canadian dollars. And over here is the total. So I spent $100 Canadian in total. And over here, invest weekly, cancel anytime. That's no. So that's a no. And that is all. Also, I just want to keep in mind that your bank may charge additional fees for Coinbase credit card purchases. To avoid the fee, switch to debit card or bank account. So just keep this part in mind over here, and you can choose to decide if you wanna like spend or buy crypto with your debit or credit. But I use debit, or you can use directly your bank account. Anyways, so once you have the um once you have the double check and you have everything correct, click on buy now. And let it load. Okay. Now what you want to do is select continue, right? So 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 once you press continue, what will happen is that they will ask you for a verification code that's going to be sent to your phone. So when you create a Coinbase account, they're going to ask for your phone number, and make sure enter a proper working phone number. If you haven't created a Coinbase account yet, or not sure of what I'm talking about, I have a video about like Coinbase for new people, and I'll put that in the link down below as well. But anyways, they will send a verification link to the phone number, and you gotta make sure that you have access to the phone number that you're using for Coinbase. And once you once you once you click continue and they send you a verification code on your text messages on your phone number, go check on your phone and then enter it. They're gonna have a place for you where you can put it, enter it, and then once you enter it, then what they're gonna do is they're gonna verify that it's you, and then they're gonna say like, oh, confirmation, it's done, your order has been made, and then it will add to your Bitcoin balance. But that's just to show you. Right now, I don't actually want to buy Bitcoin. I don't want to spend Bitcoin. Like, I don't want to buy right now, but I'm just showing you like the overall procedure of how to buy crypto or Bitcoin here in Coinbase. So yeah, that is it. So I'm gonna exit right now, but that's how you do it. That's how you buy crypto or Bitcoin in Coinbase. Um, in a simple explanation, in very detailed way. So yeah. So So usually when you successfully completed, buying Bitcoin, if you enter the verification code and all of that, it won't say failure. It will say that your transaction has been completed. You've successfully purchased a Bitcoin. But anyway, that's how you buy Bitcoin or a crypto in Coinbase. That is it. Okay, if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up and all of our other videos as well. Hit the notification bell, subscribe to our channel so you can be updated if you have any new content out. And comment down below if you have any questions, suggestions, comments, concerns, or any other videos you want us to make so that we can help you out and we can keep creating content for you guys. Okay, thank you. That's it. Bye-bye.